Hello everyone, how are you? I hope so you all are fine and safe at your home. Come to English session. Now, in previous lectures we have seen some of the grammar parts. Let us come to your textbook. See, this is your English textbook, English Bharati Standard 2nd. Then, if you are watching inside, you will able to see that here 4 parts are there, means 4 units are there. From these units, if you are watching this first unit, unit 1, this unit 1 is for your first unit test. Then unit 2, this is for your first term. Come to unit 3rd, this is for your second unit test. And then remaining this 4th unit is for your annual exam. So, slowly we'll start with the syllabus of your textbook. Today I am here with the first very interesting poem, that is Breach. Okay, so see, very interesting picture. You all are very habitual with this picture. You like to see. Nowadays this is the rainy season, so mostly you all will able to see this rainbow in the sky. So the poem's poet or poetess is Christina Rossetti. So see what she wants to say. See, first of all we'll see the poem. See, boats sails on the rivers, boats sails on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So, see, this is a very beautiful poem given about rainbow. And this poem is related with our relation with the God. That, see, here I will tell you the paraphrasing, means the meaning what the poetess want to tell us. So see my dear children, this is a very beautiful poem written by Christina Rossetti, where she says boat sails means float on the river and ship sails on a large seas. They look very nice, but the clouds which we see sailing in the sky look much prettier than the boats and the ships. There are also beautiful and prettier bridges on the river from where you can across the river very easily. She says that there is one more bridge that overtops, means raises up of trees and form a bridge to the heaven, and it's rainbow which builds a bridge from earth to the sky, and that is the most beautiful bridge than all the bridges. Okay, so see what the poet wants to tell, that many bridges are there in the world. You will able to see bridges to river, to sea, then to sky, but there is a very great bridge which we are connecting with the God, where we are connecting with the God with the heaven. Here some of the difficult words meaning I have given. So if you are watching, for example, sail means float, across from one side to another, prettier, more beautiful, heaven, the house of God where good people live after the death. In Marathi we can say as Swarga, in Hindi or in Urdu Jannat. Then overtops means more heighted. Okay, so now I hope so you all have understood the poem. It is not likewise that in one only slight looking you will understand the poem. But here the time is very less, and so I have explained the poem in a short way. So what is your duty? You have to read the poem again and again, and then whichever words I have given here, that words, difficult words, underline difficult words with their meanings, you have to write in your notebook in a very good handwriting. We'll meet in the next session with the poems exercise. Okay, so till that I will stop my teaching. Have a good day. Bye.